Okay, so we're taking Hannah for a final checkup at the vet. It's the best hospital in Taiwan, and Mr. Ye is our best surgeon in Taipei, and he had already evaluated Hannah based on the X-ray, and we're doing physical evaluation, and based on her current situation, she's ready to fly, and in her lifetime, the vet suggests that we don't give any surgery because even with a board surgeon, even with another surgery, it probably won't help her current situation. And at the moment, for the time being, she's very healthy and not enduring any pain. Hannah's a very good temperament girl, and you could tell that she's very relaxed and getting evaluated right now. And the vet was being really honest that yes, down the road, maybe 10 years down the road, the only possibility is to have her femoral head removed, but it's a very big surgery and it really won't do her much good right now, so there's really no need to remove the femoral head at this point. 好，可以吗？意思好。
它就是 range of motion 有受到少量的限制，尤其是往后面有一点影响。但是就像我们刚刚讲的，它如果说生活的形态不要是太费劲的，跑太多路的，应该都还 OK 的。就是它新的主人要知道，就是它不是一个完全正常。照顾上小心，不要让它受伤就好了。我觉得这个脚可以用啦，用到老都可以，不需要太 aggressively 做什么事情。
好，Yeah。
个性真的很好。
真的很好，那是。Okay, so the vet says that with regular exercise, she can have a long life, without any pain, and will be just great for a home pet. And we're confident that she's gonna do really well because all our Taiwan dogs are very strong.